perineal care on Miss Jenkins. Would you test the water temperature for her, please? Thank you. Miss Jenkins, I'm going to pull your covers down a little bit. Before we begin, I need to change the pad that's under you. It's already wet. This nurse evaluator to ensure safe turning. Would you be able to hold her when I turn her? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Ms. Jenkins, I want to take you over to the other side a little. Would you trade places with me? Thank you. And thank you for laying her down. Thank you. I'll not get you on your gown until I clean you. I'll cover you back up so you don't get too cold. And I'm going to put this in the hamper. Actually in the trash. Miss Jenkins, I'm going to have to expose your vagina so I can clean it. I'm going to clean your outer lip. We'll change positions. Clean the other. Change positions and then clean down the center. Now I'm going to rinse you. I'm going to clean your vagina first, and then I'll turn you so we can clean your rectum and your buttocks. I'm rinsing. One wipe, change position. Second wipe, change position. Third wipe, down the center. And now I'm going to dry you. Am I hurting you?
No.
Ms. Nurse Evaluator, would you help me turn again, please? I'm going to continue wiping front to back, front to back, change positions again, and then clean the rest of the buttocks. Get a new washcloth for rinsing. And repeat the steps again. Rinse, change positions, rinse the rest of the buttock, and take another towel, dry the anal area, and then dry the rest of the buttocks. Thank you, Miss Nurse Evaluator. I'm going to take my supplies, my used linens, to the hamper. Dry my equipment. Excuse me. I don't want to contaminate the door handles, so I'm going to use a barrier, and I'm going to store this in the closet. Remove my gloves and any other supply that I need to remove. I can do so now that my gloves are off. This was not contaminated with any of the bodily fluids. I'm going to go wash my hands. Miss Jenkins, here's your call bill. Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you.
Open up the curtain, and I am done with my skill.